No. I'm not in Oak Bridge in Fort Lauderdale. I am at Oak Estates in Bernard Lodge in the parish of Portmore.
Alright, blessed morning, the viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, Big Voice Radio in the building. So, I know say you can't wait for watch the whole video. See? But I want to give a little comment before I make you watch the entire video. And what I think about this. See? First and foremost, it is a great look for Jamaica, knowing say the crime rate a drop significantly, because I think last month them have the lowest murder rate in a Jamaica for 25 years. 25 years ago, this is the lowest murder rate month Jamaica ever see. So me have to give credit to the forces of Jamaica, you know, the Prime Minister, of course, seeing the movements we are going, the police, the JDF, everybody put a stop to the crime. That is good, because that will allow Jamaicans to feel safe, home and abroad. People can visit, people can feel more at home, and now if you worry about man come stick them up and thing like that. I mean, we have a long way to go to be really free, but every drop in crime rate, it is very significant. So me have to give credit where credit is due. So I hope the police forces, the JDF, them continue to get rid of or put away criminal elements, because it has mess up Jamaica. Wicked. So anyway, I said that for say this. The Prime Minister has showcased a section of a Portmore, I think a Bernard Lodge, something like that, where he must show the house, the units, where them a bill and everything, and you don't know, the investors them and the designer them, and all of that is good. Very nice. Look good. But my question to the Prime Minister is, how many average, ordinary, everyday Jamaicans can truly say they can own one of those units? How much Jamaican can really say them are going to buy one of those houses or one of those units? How much Jamaican? How much average Jamaican? How much blue collar worker like myself? You know, blue collar workers like carpenter, you know, plumber, electrician, barber, taxi driver, vendors, higglers, you name it, regular average workers can afford one of those units. That's my question. Because it is good. Me like it. Me love the look. You know, I mean, now make this political, because me care less about PNP, me care less about JLP. I am an independent person. Me don't know who me a vote for all now, but me a see what I go on, and me like the way where the Prime Minister have put forward the country. Me like it. See, so me not argue that. That is good. And I hope the PNP them have an even better vision, because that is it. This is not about political. This is about uplifting Jamaica and Jamaicans to want to come and invest and live back in them country, or make who they are Jamaica feel safe and can own a house. See? Realistically. So my question, Prime Minister, how much Jamaican can afford one of those? And the next thing we never hear, next question, how much for one of those units? How much? Yes, so I want somebody get back to me and tell me how much for one of them unit, and how much regular low to middle income Jamaican, which is the majority of Jamaican, can afford one of those. That's all I ask. And then now, when we get the answer, we can contact. But I'm going to play the rest of the video. So now come back to me and tell me what you think. I'm going to ride and whistle, you know, because I'm going to work. So big up every 9 to 5 worker. You don't know. Big Voice Radio in the building. All right.
And I'm here with the developers of this wonderful housing estate, Chemtech developers.
This one is called Oak Estate, and it comprises of 513 units, a mix of 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom units, 2-bedroom single units, and 100 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouses. We are standing in front of the townhouses right now.
Wow, it looks good.
It's a gated community, supported by all the amenities that are required. There's a clubhouse with a swimming pool, tennis court, a gym, multiple play areas, and we even have a pickleball court. So that's very topical right now, we're very trendy. So we're with the times.
So in the Jamaican context, like any other country, you have different housing segments, and the government plays its part by trying to make a market that can support all segments within that market. The Jamaican housing market does fairly well in providing houses for upper, middle, upper, and it does pretty well in providing houses for middle and affordable. The challenge is in the segment of the market that you would describe as low income and achievable housing. And low income clearly would be persons earning just above minimum wage and would be able to afford a starter unit or a housing solution, maybe the land, or maybe a 1-bedroom for which they'll expand. And then for what we describe as achievable would be those persons who would have to set aside a significant portion of their income to be mortgaged to buy a complete unit. So that end of the market is really challenged. So there are persons who would be able to effectively buy a solution that could be considered low income or achievable, but there are just not enough producers in the market. And we have tried to support that end of the market, and I am hopeful that with the incentives and the other measures that we have taken to attract persons into the segment of the market, including the provision of land, including removing any risk of lack of sale that may exist through the guaranteed purchase program. We're hoping that more persons, more contractors, more housing developers will get involved in that segment of the market, which is really where the challenge is. 5 years ago, where I'm standing would have been in the middle of ruined, abandoned cane fields and just bush all around. And now we have converted this into housing for the people of Jamaica. This is the Bernard Lodge housing development. The developers are undertaking housing development just under 1,000 in phases. Where we want to go is to have developers and contractors who can do 10,000 houses at a time. But that will, of course, take time for them to develop the expertise, build the capacity, develop the supply chain, develop the technical capabilities to be able to handle that size and magnitude of housing development. Once they develop the capacity, once they have projects like this and they are seeing the future and have a long stretch to do the developments, you will see them bringing housing to market much more rapidly. So, yes, you will have your house under our housing policy.
All right, so I know say you know watch the video, the entire video. That is good. I know say you know like you see, and me like what I see. I love it. But me I say realistically, how much Jamaicans can afford that? Me go on a real life story. Now I'm gonna make it long. You know say about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, you know, me set up a little weekend trip over the Easter weekend trip. Seeing for my mother, my woman, and my kids, and a few other family members, about 6 or 7 of them. Me rent a whole villa for the weekend. Seeing? in a one place named Pyramid Point in a Ochi. Nice place, gated. Nice. Me I tell you for the weekend, yo. Me never did it, but me sort it out for my family. To make them go enjoy it and them love it. My kids them never want to leave. Pool and everything there and the place nice. Gated area. At the first me I book a villa. And the process when we go through if we book the villa, yo, me I say, yo, this is good. It is very strict and oh you check in. Me never know this. When you are booking for your villa, you have to, when you pay a fee, when you talk to the host and everything, you pay your money online. When you do that, you know, you have to show your ID. See? And you have to take a selfie. So the system can recognize you and everything. And then, anybody who are going to the villa, you have to make them know. You have to write down, send the name of the persons we are going to the villa. And if you don't do that, say for instance, then me name 5 somebody. And then when the day come when them going to check in a 6 person and 1 person never up on the list, them can't go in. Me I tell you that. And me never know. So me have to make sure no say everybody we are going to the villa, them name up on the list. So when them go at the gate, them can check in and go in at the villa. Anyway, me say all of that for say this. The safety is good. And me like that. That make me feel safe. And my family feel safe. When me do that now, me I say wait, alright, everything good. Me always tell my woman say when you go out, make sure any land where you see a seller, any little house a sell, just get the number so we can call and find out what I want. Because me as a youth, me like to ask questions and find out how much for this, how much for that. Maybe we can own something. Anyways, I should go up there. The first thing, one of the units up there sell 3 room, 1.5 bath, nice place. I go post the video so you can see it. And rightfully so, she send me the video, send me the number of the person. I text the person and ask them how much for the unit. Me tell my woman say, no, yo, this I go expensive, you know, before me even call. Anyway, me call, me text, ask the person how much feed. You know what I'm telling you how much for one of the unit, yo? In a Pyramid Point. And this is facts. Make sure you sit down, you know. Don't stand up. Sit down when you hear me I tell you this. 450,000 US.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
450,000 US for one of the units. You serious? And that is a negotiated price. What more want you to know? Me times it already, but me want you times it. 450,000 US times the currency where US are go for. Our 152 or something like that. Just type it in. 450,000 US times 152 and tell me how much you get. Write in the comment section. In a reach 70 million, quite about 68 point something million Jamaican dollar for that. For one of the units. How much Jamaican can afford that? That's all I say. But yo, Prime Minister, I just want you to tell me how much for one of the units of a Portmore and how much Jamaicans can afford one of those units realistically. It is a great look for Jamaica and Jamaicans. But you see, we as regular Jamaican, I know we are going to live in them house there. Yo. An investor from foreign come buy them there and then them villa them out or put them for rent out and everything. The regular Jamaican can't own them there. So me I tell every Jamaican, wake up and come out and take on your head out of the sand boat and not talk about PNP and JLP and Mark Golding and Andrew HOLNESS. None of them man they don't care about you personally, yo. You have to care about yourself because none of them now, first and foremost, none of them no own none of them house there. You know see Andrew HOLNESS house. You know see Mark Golden place and them man there. How them man there live. How you a live as the regular Jamaican. Me still have to buy water. My mother have to buy water. How you a live. How your kids a live. Where you live. How much a uno can buy one of them house there. How much a uno. Yet still, when a regular Jamaican attack them way, you don't want to kill them and crucify them. But I truth and the truth hurt. Remember me telling you, yo, take out on the head out of the sun. How much you can afford one of them house there? If you live in a, how much you know? If you even go through NHT, how long you not go pay a mortgage for? I want no face a jaw grung. I want no hole on the back of Ben. You not finish pay a mortgage for one of them there. But you want to kill up yourself for politics and politician. You're no madman. But I have an idea. Big up on yourself. Well thinking Jamaican. Take up on yourself and make on yourself better. But yo, be realistic. Them the house there are not for regular Jamaican. Remember me telling you, mark my words. Big up on yourself. Big Voice Radio in the building.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.